let me explain you why backtesting is absolutely useless. So welcome back to a new episode on the Traders Improve podcast. Thank you as well for all the nice feedback and the comments. If you want to listen to the previous episodes, and there are already 60 by now, go to Tradeciety.com/podcast. You also find a form there where you can submit your own question for my next podcasts. Today I want to talk about backtesting. I get asked about backtesting and how to do it very, very regularly. And first of all, I don't believe in backtesting. I believe backtesting is almost a complete waste of time. It is not useful and it is not going to help you become a better trader. Maybe even the opposite. Maybe backtesting is even going to make you a worse trader. So what is backtesting? Backtesting means that you are going through old charts. Many traders, they go to historical charts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years ago, and then they just try to simulate trading, where they try to find setups, try to find trades, see how their method has performed, and then they believe they want to validate their system in this way. This is not going to work. Why? Because backtesting eliminates everything that is important in trading. Everything that is hard in trading is not existent in backtesting. Emotions don't play any role whatsoever. You don't have money on the line. You don't even have demo money on the line. And even demo trading, we can argue about this. I believe demo trading has absolutely no value in trying to validate that you are a good trader or that your system is good. Emotions don't exist in demo trading. Emotions don't exist in backtesting. So therefore, I think, and emotions obviously play maybe 90% of trading is emotions. So if you eliminate this, then, well, what you're doing has nothing to do with trading. Second, holding on to winning trades is a very, very big problem, and many traders cut their winners too early. There have been many studies looking at trader performance, experiments, and many traders cut their winners too early because obviously it is tough to hold on to a winner and to let it run towards your take profit, especially when the price moves back and forth. And in backtesting, well, you don't have to hold on to your winning trades. Patience doesn't play a role at all. You can just fast forward candle by candle, and therefore this holding on to winning trades is not part of something that you're practicing in backtesting. Cutting losing trades is also not really a big thing in backtesting. In real life, handling losing trades is very, very challenging, and in backtesting, again, you can just fast forward, move to the next trade. Revenge trading usually doesn't play a big role in backtesting because, well, you're just a few clicks away from the next setup. You can speed up the candles, how they form on your trades or on your charts. So, yeah, everything that has to deal with losing trades, with drawdowns, is just eliminated in backtesting. Patience, I talked about this, I think, in the 2 or 3 podcasts ago, that patience is the most important trading emotion on 3 different levels, waiting for an entry, staying into a trade, and also when it comes to account growth. And we don't have any of that in backtesting. Growing your account in a backtesting environment also happens very, very quickly. Drawdown periods can be skipped over very soon when there's just a new trade coming. And if you can play or if you can simulate in your backtest 6 months or even 1 year of trading in one day, then this is it has absolutely nothing to do with real world trading. So what do you do instead? Because that's very important, obviously. First of all, don't do backtesting. Forward testing, that is the only thing that really matters. Also, demo trading, I think, don't demo trade for long periods of time. I have seen it many, many times that people who are on demo trading for too long, they cannot make the switch to real money because, well, first of all, it's very scary for them. And then second of all, often on demo trading and on backtesting, you adopt patterns, certain things, how you approach trading, and it's very hard to unlearn it. And especially in your first months and maybe even years, if you have done backtesting or demo trading for a long period of time, this is how you will approach trading in real money accounts as well. And it is very, very bad. It is very dangerous to start out with demo trading for months and months and months and then adopt these negative patterns in your trading. So yes, real money trading is scary, and yes, you will probably lose money in the beginning, maybe even a lot of money when you switch to real accounts. But this is, in my opinion, and take it for what it's worth, and also make sure that you understand that you will lose probably all of your money in your broker account, especially in the beginning. It is the only way to get real education as a trader. And you need to make sure that you learn from your losses. If you lose your money, your hard-earned money in your real trading account, you need to make sure that you learn your losses. You don't keep repeating them. Otherwise, the money you're losing has been lost, and you don't see any benefit from it. But if you really learn a lesson, and if you lose money and you look at, okay, what did I do wrong? What should I do better next time? Then the money you lost can be spent reasonably, and it makes sense to approach trading that way. So forward testing, using real money in your real trading account, in a real trading environment with real emotions and real trading decisions. Yes, it will take longer. Yes, it is more costly, but look around you. Everywhere where you look for shortcuts are just a bad approach. And shortcuts just don't exist in anywhere, in any aspect of our lives. So you need to go the long way. However, shortcuts eventually will always lead to a wrong mindset and a wrong approach. So even you go the long way, the real way, this will in the end probably allow you to make real progress as a trader instead of whatever you might call backtesting or whatever backtesting is. I personally think it has nothing to do with real trading. And that is my 2 cents, my little rant about backtesting.